Guys, I found a little snack. Found some wood sorrel. It looks kind of like clover. That one's missing a leaf. But it's got these little yellow flowers and these little seed pods. I like to eat the seed pods. They're really sour. I call them sour flowers. So as I'm going down this trail, lots of vegetation, lots of pretty ferns, and this, I think this is like trifolium or something like that. I don't remember the name, but it used to have these pretty flowers. This one died. This is actually an endangered species. That's pretty neat. And I see a bunch of nettles and some garlic mustard. This is actually pretty good eatings. And if you dig the roots up, it kind of tastes like horseradish too, but you can just take a leaf and kind of garlicky, oniony. Pretty good. The flower pods have a lot stronger taste. I love sauteing those in my food. It's really good. Nice little snack. Struck gold. Golden oyster mushrooms, baby. Guess what's for dinner? Do 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 do. We're walking in the woods. I found some false turkey tails. I can tell you maybe in another video a little bit better how I know that they're false, how to identify true versus false turkey tails. But alas, if we do an ID for every plant we see, we'll be here all day. And here we are, the oyster mushrooms. So delish. Just in case of some stinging nettle or poison ivy, I found some jewelweed. This stuff's really useful, but it's got these rounded serrations like that, and it's this kind of pretty looking plant here, and sometimes it has like yellow and orange flowers on it when it does get to flower. There's some more over here, these two. There's a little patch down there. Very pretty. Hey, let's get some mushrooms. This is kind of lost its color. I'm probably not going to hold these, but these up here are perfect. I got my handy dandy knife. Make sure there ain't no bugs or nothing. Ooh, that's a nice cluster. I'm gonna put it in a nice breathable bag. It's a good idea. Make sure it's breathable. Ooh, it's got a separator. Wow, that's a fancy bag. These are prime, like ready to go. And I'm trying to, when I'm cutting them close to the stem where it meets the tree, so hopefully big clusters don't break off like that. Get it all in one piece. Got room for one more. That's enough for a couple days. buddy just pointed out. I think we found some dead man's fingers, if you're familiar with that. Very nice.
Here we have some black mulberries. These are native to the US as compared to the white mulberries, which I believe are native to China. And we're panning off to the wild grapes. These I think are native to Europe, but those raccoons sure love them. I see them all up in their scat. But when you eat them, they kind of dry your mouth out, which is indicative of those astringent properties that we find in grapes. They're not ripe yet, but as they start to ripen, they'll turn darker into like a purple color. So I got home and I cut off these stems from the mushrooms and I put them in a salad spinner with a little bit of vinegar and water, soaked them for a few minutes, spun them out, rinsed them again, spun them out again, dried them up, and then I went to the garden and chopped up those veggies. As you can see, my lentils are boiling over. Had to go solve that problem really quick. And let's talk about those veggies again. I've got garlic, chive, basil, cilantro, oregano, thyme, and then I am frying those mushrooms up in olive oil.